Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin kit, I'll Be Yours, January 2020 kit just arrived, and I thought we would open it up together and see what's inside. Alright, our spot this month is mint macaron. I don't think we've had a mint macaron spot in a while. Here are the stamps. Oh, fun. Look at these. Okay, which side is the best way to go? All right, wishing you a lifetime of love. Happy Valentine's Day. We've got some little flowers, a cute little bee. Thank you. Let's be friends. Wow, there's a lot here. For you, a little flower. This heart has words here that says, with love. Very cute. Handmade. I like that. That can go in the back of our cards. You can put handmade and then sign your name. Be mine. This really pretty little background stamp. And a cute little scallop. So the stamp set is really sweet. Like that. This is talking about celebration. Some glue dots. Oh, these are very pretty. Look at these. So cute. Let's open this up. There's a lot in here. Okay, right off the bat I noticed these really sweet little adhesive backed little flower shaped sequins. Really cute. 2 colors. You've got your dimensionals and your baker's twine. These are little note cards. Little cute little note cards. You can send little love notes, put a little note on someone's desk at your coworker, or throw these in your kid's lunchbox. Really sweet little note cards. Great for teachers and things like that. And these are cute little treat bags. You can put some little heart chocolates in there. Little holes. That's so cute. Little treat bags. How sweet are those? And I forget how many there were. There were quite a few. 20 little treat bags. Here they are. And then you've got heart die cuts. Cute little bees. Some labels. Some more labels. So let's see if I can give you an up close of the projects. That's so cute, those little hearts. So there's a couple different ways you can do the treat bags. They're already printed with the little flowers on them. Here's your note cards. You're going to use that background stamp, it looks like. Super cute. There is the I'll Be Yours paper pumpkin for 2020. If you wish that you had gotten it and didn't subscribe in time, let me know. I always get extras. You're going to love adding this stamp set to your collection. Super cute. A lot of good stuff in that. Let me put that up close so you can see the stamp set. That's a nice set. All right. Thanks for watching.